Hi everyone, this is Cash again. Welcome back to my channel, Cloud Soldier. If you remember, guys, in last exercise we deployed virtual machine and we resized the virtual machine and we learned how to connect to the virtual machine using remote desktop protocol. So in this exercise, our next topic is that to install Internet Information Server. Um, Internet Information Servers, as remember, if you remember, I discussed that it's a service provided by Microsoft in Azure that where you can host your and configure and manage your website. That's called IIS, Internet Information Server. Okay, so let's start doing that. So as you can see that I've created a merger machine. This is a public IP address. So if I just copy the public IP address and launch, go to my um, add PC. I just type in the IP address, add. If I double click that, my username, Azure user, and my password, enter, continue. So basically, IIS. So remember that IIS, Internet Information Service. That's a web server for Windows. And there are different web servers we can use for Linux machine, which we'll go into our next exercise and we'll discuss for Linux machine. I will ask this question, remember, in our class. So the web server for Linux is like called, we can use as Nginx. There are few of them, but we will use Nginx. And in this exercise, like, we are just launching our virtual machine. We will install, excuse me, our IIS server, and then we will test it that is it working, and we just put some code in there to test it. Right. So it's been launching now. So if we go to manage, add roles and feature. Okay, still this is not loaded properly. Just give us a few seconds. And while we're going to just stop this. Right, so if I go back to my and click manage, add roles and features, this should give you a screen pop up. Here we go. So click next, next. Just this is our virtual machine, as you can see, cache VM1. So there are no other machines. So sometime it give you a list of different machines, but we have got only one machine at the moment, so you don't worry about it. Click next, and we are installing web server IIS. Web server IIS provides a reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Right, so we also add features. Next, 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 install, and just wait while installed, and it will come back when installed. Okay, so let's check now. It's still installing. Right, so just pause it. Right, and now you can see the it has been a succeeded installation. Close it, and to test it, what we can do, if we just go back to our portal and where is it gone? This one. Yep. So if you go back to a portal and just click copy that and just go to our web browser and paste it and see. Wow. So the connection does support a secure connection stack, I can see. So we're getting error if we click continue site. So let me log on to a browser from here. Go to Microsoft Edge. I'd rather do inside the machine, not going anywhere else. So start without data, accept all, confirm and continue without this data. Confirm and start browsing. Next. So if we go to our, yeah, we can browse now. So accept all. If I copy that, we go still there. This browser, let's see what happens here. बेसिकली हमने इसमें इसका कॉपी किया है यहाँ से पब्लिक आईपी एड्रेस. इफ आई गो टू portal portal.azure.com, so मैं दोबारा लॉगिन हो जाऊंगा उसमें. So this is my to at out com, enter, and next. No, wrong spelling. To enter, no thanks. Okay. Okay, it's a wrong password. Let me log on. Okay, let me try again. Yes, close that. So this is the virtual machine we created. Close these tabs, we don't need them. Right, so there's some issue here, so we cannot access. If you remember in the class what we did, anybody? किसी को पता है? बताओ क्या किस तरह करेंगे ये problem solve? Come on, I cannot hear. Okay, I can hear somebody saying to me that we have to create a NSG rule. So that will allow port 80 onto this more virtual machine, and that will be able from accessing from outside. So basically हमें इस machine में inbound rule create करना है. We have to create an inbound rule. So inbound rule create करने के लिए, so you have to go to network settings and go to create port rule, create inbound port rule, and we choose service HTTP and port 80 and add. So we can give description. This is an inbound port rule to access this VM. ठीक है? Click add. So we're creating this ad. It takes few. So what we have done till now. So we created a virtual machine. We installed. If you remember that, we installed information service, IIS, Internet Information Service, from here. So if you go there and you can check it, it's still there. So you can see this has been checked, so that we have installed already. Cancel that. So and then we tried to copy. फिर हमने copy किया था यहाँ से to check कि website काम कर रही है कि नहीं, to check the website is working or not. So we copied. हम इस पे गए overview पे. फिर हमने ये कॉपी किया, फिर हम इस पे गए, फिर ये पेस्ट किया। तो लेट्स ट्राई अगेन। यस इज वर्किंग नाउ। हम एक और काम करते हैं कि वी जस्ट let's modify that and put our name to उसके लिए we do this what we go to I've copied this code, so I will put in the description में डाल दूंगा सारा, but you can manage to find a smaller code, but I'm using this. So copy, हम जाते हैं फिर इस पे क्लिक फाइल एक्सप्लोरर। अच्छा जी, go to file explorer चले गए आप, then go to PC, C drive, inetpub, wwroot, and IIS start, and right click this and edit. Edit with, no, my apologies, just ignore me. So we go to uh, right click here, this for this file, open with Notepad, and just replace this with the one I copied. Or you can do whatever you wanted. So this is the default start page for cache. You can do whatever you want. You name and save, and make sure you save it. Click and save and close it and close this. And if you refresh it, hey, welcome to my cache IIS server. So we have successfully installed IIS server. Thank you very much for watching. So what I'll do in our next video, what we'll do, we will cover our next topic, which is um, that will be that will be so we have done all that. So what we'll do, create a virtual Linux virtual machine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and any comments put in the video and I can explain to you and answer you. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz. Bye.